Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss skincare routines. So one of the most requested videos, or the things that people ask me the most, are what are my favorite skincare products, what do I use on my skin. And I do have an old skincare routine, but things have changed. I've started using different products since that video, so I figured I'm going to film this video again, and I'm going to show you guys the updates. And I think I'm going to do it periodically because I'm always finding new skin things, especially since I have sensitive skin, so I want to share them. So here's my skincare routine. Keep watching. Okay, so before we get into the skincare routine, I am going to recommend that you subscribe to this channel. I have so many great videos in addition to skincare, hair care, makeup industry, beauty, just tech, travel, so many great different things that I talk about here on this channel. And I really think that you want to watch my videos, so you should subscribe. And then also hit the notification bell. That way when I go live, you will be able to catch it. We have so much fun in the lives. We talk about different makeup industry mergers, product launches, and people ask me questions and I answer them. So lives are so much fun, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. So with that being said, we are going to get into the skincare things. Now, I'm already going to warn you in advance that I'm going to be bending down because I have all my skincare stuff like right next to me. And I'm going to try and go in the order of how I apply it. Can't promise, but I'm going to try and stick with it. So first, we are going to start off with the cleansers, right? And just a quick tidbit before, I do try really hard to keep up with my skin products. For those of you who've been watching my channel for the last couple years, last summer 2019, I was like, I want to dedicate more resources and time to skincare because like I really want great skin, and I really want to focus on that. So ever since then, I have been really into it with my skincare and really trying to keep my skin looking great. So I am wearing foundation in this video though, so like thank you for the compliments, but the presumed compliments. I'm such a butt munch. But yeah, I am wearing Pat McGrath foundation in this video, so I just want to be transparent since this is a skincare video and be like, oh, look how great my skin is. Like, no, I have foundation on. But okay, so we're gonna talk about the cleansing things. So I said that I was going to take you guys through my full routine. I lied. I'm instead going to show you guys the products and explain how I use them. So this is Purity Made Simple One-Step Facial Cleanser from Philosophy. I live and die by this cleanser. I always have a 32 ounce at my house. So the way I use that product is I use it as a cleanser every morning. So every morning I do a double cleanse. So I either use this twice or I use this once and then I exfoliate. Another time I wash my face is after I work out. I use the same cleanser, and then on days and times when I'm wearing makeup and I want to remove said makeup off my face, like after this video, I will use this cleanser to remove the makeup. So again, that's Purity Made Simple One-Step Facial Cleanser from Philosophy. Pro tip, I get these from QVC because they have auto delivery and it comes every 6 months. Which is about right timing for how much I use, and they have a lower price than what Sephora does. So although I don't get the points, I do get more money in my pocket, so that makes it worth it. So QVC for the Philosophy Jumbos. Other side, ooh, this is like a workout. Like I'm really working out with these bottles. This is the Micro Delivery Exfoliating Facial Wash from Philosophy. So basically the QVC set I was talking about, it's this, and then the Purity Made Simple body wash. So that is what I use as the kit, and I have that on auto delivery. So check qvc.com, see if it's still on there. But Micro Delivery Facial Wash. So this is a daily exfoliating facial wash. Because I have extremely sensitive skin, I cannot exfoliate my skin every day, so I use this every other day. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday would be the days that I usually use this. Some days I skip 2 days. My skin's feeling extra sensitive. If my skin sloughs off a lot, then I might do 2 days in a row just at one time because I lost so much dead skin the day before. Not that clumps of dead skin are going to be coming off in your hands. That's not going to happen. But because I have dry skin, I have flaky areas, and this is really great for sloughing off all those flakes that kind of pop up overnight. And I really love this. It has a little bit of a chemical smell, but it's not too strong. It's nothing like overpowering. And this is really great for exfoliating my face and neck and décolletage every other day. So those are the two things that I cleanse with. So next we're going to get into eye cream and facial serums. Okay, so eye creams and facial serums, right? Really important. Again, I'll show you the things, tell you how I apply them. Favorite eye cream of all time, Henriksen's Truth Banana Bright Eye Cream. So if you live anywhere on these internet beauty makeup streets, you've seen this. It is an Allure. Y'all heard that drop, right? That's crazy. It is an Allure Best of Beauty product and is the best eye cream that ever existed. If you have puffy under eyes, you can probably still see it right there. You see that little puff? I didn't put any concealer on this morning. I mean, today. But so if you have under eye puffiness and discoloration, like I said, you can't see my discoloration right now because I am wearing McGrath foundation, but I do have like a little darkness under my eye, and this helps get rid of it temporarily for the day. So like if I wake up, do my skincare stuff, and then I apply this eye cream, it looks noticeably lighter. I can use noticeably smaller amounts of concealer, and it looks great for the day. Unfortunately, by the time I get home at night, she is back to looking, once I wash off all my makeup and stuff, my eyes are back to normal. But then before I go to bed, I put some more on, and then it's gone again. So a really great eye cream. So hold on, let me get the serum that you guys just heard hit the ground. Alright, so, which is so sad because it's my fave. I do have a video already on the Sephora it's not Hydra Glow, the Sephora collection Glow Serum. I recommend that serum. It's really great if you're looking for a serum on a budget. If you are under $20 and under. If you are no budget for your skincare and you are okay going a little bit above, which $28 which is not that much, I'm going to recommend the Glossier Super Pure Serum. So as you can see, this baby is empty. I already have a new one in my medicine cabinet because I do not play when it comes to this serum. I have a lot of areas of hyperpigmentation and discoloration on my face, and this serum is the only thing that can help me out, and that is lightening it up. It's not bleaching my skin, but in the dark areas, they're becoming more similar to the main skin tone of my face. So usually like my nose, even though that's where I get like whiteheads and blackheads and stuff, that is like the most true, my nose and my forehead, of my skin color. And then I have darkness here, darkness under my eyes, and then darkness around my mouth. And this serum has noticeably lightened it within the 4-week clean that they have on their website. So I also have a video on this product also, Glossier Super Pure Serum. This is one of the best skincare products that I've tried, and it's really great, especially if you have sensitive and acne prone skin. Your skin is going to be well balanced and amazing, even though this is not like an acne product. So I really like this. The next thing that I have is another eye cream, and it is Glossier's Bubble Wrap. So it's a eye and lip plumping cream. Now the only thing about this one is it does fix the puffiness under my eyes, but it doesn't address the discoloration, and that is why I love old Henriksen. And once I finish this, I might not get it again. I mean, I might keep it for like maybe a night eye cream because I really love how it like plumps it and how it makes your face look so plump. But because it doesn't address the discoloration, it's kind of like only does half the job for me. But the lip, I actually might just get this to put it on my lips. The Laneige lip mask, unfortunately, from using it excessively every night for like months in a row, it started cracking the corners of my mouth, so I had to stop using it. So I was like, I need another nighttime treatment for my lips. So the fact that this is for eyes and lips is really cute. If you are under the age of, I mean, it depends on your skin. It's not even an age thing. If you don't have any discoloration and you only have puffiness, this is going to be the best eye products. And forget old Henriksen. Don't jump on that bandwagon, because all you need is plumping and moisturizing. Then this is going to be it, and it's a lower price point. So I really love Glossier's Bubble Wrap. Okay, so now we are going to get into the moisturizers. Yes, moisturizers with an S. Okay, so when it comes to moisturizers, I have 3 different products that I really love to use. So I'm going to start off with my day moisturizer. Unfortunately, this product doesn't have SPF, but after I show you guys the moisturizers, I will show you how I apply my SPF. But I use the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Love this from Glow Recipe. As you can see, I'm about to re-up soon. This stuff is amazing. It just brings the glow, the healthiness, the moisture to your skin without the oil, without the goopiness. And it's really lightweight and is a great place to start before you apply your makeup. So this is one of my favorite moisturizers. For the nighttime, so I use that in the daytime. For the nighttime, I use Clinique's Moisture Surge 72-hour Auto Replenishing Hydrator Gel Cream. This stuff is magic. It just makes your skin so moisturized, so supple as you go to bed. And if you have dry skin, I would definitely say use this as a day cream too. But it's a really amazing product. I love this stuff. I've actually stopped buying them individually, and now I started buying the double set because I just need it on deck and I don't want to run out. Like, I ran out and I was upset, like with the big up and a big set. So I I'm gonna start buying the double packs because I have to have this on hand no matter what. Like, it's just gonna get, this stuff gives you instantly amazing skin. Like, you put it on and you're glowing and moisturized, and it's a little heavier. That's why I use it at night, but I love it. And then the last step, which is kind of a moisturizer but kind of not, is the Laneige Sleeping Water Mask. I put this on top of my nighttime moisturizer, the Clinique, and it really just locks in all the skincare. Clinique actually has an overnight sleeping mask, so that way you can put it on top of the moisturizer, and I really want to try it out. But I have this big old Laneige one, so I will be finishing this first before I try another product. And really quickly, I will just show you guys my SPF solution. Alright, so SPF solutions. If you're watching my channel, you already know what I'm already about to say because it's the same SPF products I always say. Supergoop. Supergoop is an SPF brand sold at Sephora that's amazing and works great for sensitive and acne-prone skin based on my experience. Also, it doesn't contain the chemical that like destroys the coral reef, so that's like super cool too. And that chemical also causes cancer allegedly. So that's really good that this is like a healthier skincare SPF option. So I'm gonna have 2 products in my hands for a reason. This is the SPF 50 Glow Stick, and this one is just a clear little balm. After I put on the Glow Recipe, I let it dry down while I'm like lotioning the rest of my body, and then I put this on my face really quick, like swipe, nose, chin, then I rub that in. Throughout the course of the day, I will reset it with this resetting mist SPF 40. So you just shake it up and then close your eyes, put it back, and now your SPF is replenished. I wear SPF all year round. I spend a lot of time in front of computer screens, editing videos, and in front of ring lights and all kinds of artificial light sources. I'm one of those people that have the phone so close to my face, laying on the couch, dropping it on my face. That is definitely me. So all these devices and lights are emitting kind of UV rays and blue light and all these things, and that stuff definitely takes a toll on your skin. So you want to wear SPF regardless of, even if you're not going to the beach, even if it's not a sunny day, you just need to make sure you apply that SPF every day. So those are my skincare products. I hope that this video was helpful to you, especially if you have sensitive skin and acne prone skin. None of the products in this video have caused me to have breakouts, caused me to have pimples, caused rashes, or any kind of reaction where I gotta grab the cortisone and take some Benadryl. Has never happened with any of these products. The Philosophy products do have glycerin in it, which I actually randomly know somebody who's allergic to that, so that's just something to keep in mind out for. But everything else, sensitive skin approved, clear skin approved. I mean, I do have foundation on, but I would like to think that my awesome dedication to skincare is the reason why my foundation looks so flawless and amazing. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.